Our workforce is very diverse. We have to make sure we're able to cover everything we need to cover as a high school. Because if we're not preparing kids for anything they want to do, then we're not preparing kids.
3, 2, 1.
We have various pathways that our students can benefit from. Having them explore the trade here at our building is a great opportunity for kids here at Roseville Area High School.
So our construction pathway that we have at the high school here is geared towards kids that have an interest in the construction trades.
I've always been kind of hands-on with things. Like, it's been a fun opportunity being in here and actually learning how to use all the tools like my dad has in the garage and stuff like that.
We build a shed every trimester and we sell it to somebody in the community. So we learn about framing, siding, roofing, all that stuff, and get hands-on experience.
The new facility is awesome. It's super exciting to be here. We're super lucky to be here. These students here in this space, in our culinary lab space, they have restaurant equipment they're working with every single day. They just bring that knowledge base in right out of the gate, and then they can just keep building on it in whatever business they're with.
We're talking about jobs that will offer immediately at the age of 18 a living wage. We're talking about a pension, we're talking about medical coverage, we're talking about dental coverage. So really a lot of neat opportunity.
Ultimate goal is to provide our students with an opportunity to be ready for career as well as college. Where kids have choices and they have options, they'll be more ready to succeed as an adult in the working world.